Hey guys, it's me, Cyrene. Today, MC is gonna show you life hacks to use like old things that you can make to decorate your garden or your house or the outside.
Tips how to maintain your pebbles. If you want to put pebbles on your garden, first thing to do,
English ka na.
First thing to do, you will use muriatic acid. Ibabad mo lang siya doon, stay for maybe 30 minutes. Tsaka mo lang siya i-wash out. Magbabalik na yung dati niyang color, magiging white na siya ulit. Matatanggal yung mga lumot niya. And then after that, pag na-muriatic mo na siya, naidikit mo na siya kung saan mo naman siya gustong ilagay or ilatag lang sa garden mo. Lagyan mo yung mga bato ng mga acrylic emulsion para mag-last yung magkaroon siya ng kintab, maging glossy siya, and then mag-last yung, hindi siya basta-basta lulumutin, mag-last yung color niya. Ayan. Some tips lang para lang yung mga pebbles na lagi siya maganda, hindi siya laging nililinis. Tsaka meron pa yung banga namin. Ayan, ni-repaint lang namin siya ng iba't ibang colors, and then after nun, yung napahiran na namin siya ng mixed paint, nilagyan namin siya ng acrylic emulsion. Para mag-last din siya, hindi siya agad mababakbak. And some tips lang you can use on your own. Madali lang siyang gawin. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-hire ng painter to do that.
Hey guys, so the acrylics we use, you only use 4 colors?
Yes, for mixing paint.
What were the colors?
Red, blue, no, that's not red. Blue, green, brown, and black. To achieve that colors.
There's green right here and blue, brown, and black. There's also white.
Yes.
And this is a combination of brown and white, right?
Yes. You're good in color combination.
Some of them are really dark. These are just like greens. Or a jacket kind of color. So, hey guys, remember those rocks? It matches right here in this top. The ilaw.
The lighting.
This is old, right?
Yes.
Ni-paint mo lang.
Repaint, yes.
And
para mag-complement siya sa color ng garden.
Ito yung ilaw that you can find sa bahay mo that mag-work pa din.
Paano nagkaroon ng ilaw dyan?
Oh my God. May invisible line dito where naka-plug but hindi nakikita totally. Pag nakikita mo guys,
it's hidden here.
Oo, hindi nakikita talaga. Niglo mo ba?
Like that, Cyrene.
Like that, oh.
Hindi put molding. PVC molding.
Ito yung molding.
And guys, we have an idea for like
Tapos yun isasaksak.
Hi guys, and remember, follow our Instagram. Her Instagram is...
Wala siyang Instagram eh.
I mean,
Facebook page.
What is her face? Huh? 𝚙𝚘𝚛𝚍𝚑. And my Facebook page is 𝚙𝚊𝚒𝚗𝚍𝚑. And it's also my Instagram. So make sure to follow me and my tita. Bye guys, and remember to subscribe and like this channel. Bye!
Thank you!
But wait guys, let me do something. Yun ang gagawin. Ah! So windy. A heart for you guys that have subscribed.
I say thank you.
Thank you for subscribing. And this is my love for